Good afternoon, everyone. Thomas again from mgmclassiccars.com in Addison, Illinois. And once again, I have the pleasure, man, I love this job, showing you guys this totally restored car out of Texas. We just got it in today here at MGM. This is a gorgeous 1965 Ford Mustang, restored condition, beautiful body and paint. And first off, we're going to walk the car so you can see. Obviously, the pepper gray Eleanor color is in immaculate condition, and I will get closer to the car and go over it in more of a full detail. But stepping back here, check out the stance on this baby. Look at the four-wheel power disc brakes. Yep, you see that? Front and back. Okay, front power and rear power disc brake setup. Beautiful wheels, torque thrust with Cooper Cobras on the radial GT tires all around this bad boy. Beautiful chrome, excellent bezels around the cars. This is all brand new. These lights in the back are LEDs, and you can definitely see that when you hit the brake or if you make a left or right turn signal. Gorgeous on the driver's side as well, continuing on the car. Beautiful restoration. So we'll move in a little bit closer now. As you can see, the chrome is in excellent condition. The billet grille. Look at that hood. Oh yeah. Look at the reflection. High performance 289. Not a scratch. So I'm going to go over this passenger side fender for you guys just to show you how nice it is. There's your rocker, your passenger door. Starting now with the quarter panel. Excellent trunk lid. Look at that reflection. The pepper gray color is awesome. Look at that. Bam. Real nice. Trunk lid is perfect along with the rear balance here. On the bottom side were the reverse lights, dual exhaust. Driver's side. All the way through, gorgeous. Beautiful resto. So all your door handles are excellent. Opens really nice and easy. Door jambs are great. Striker's not painted. Yeah, they did a nice job. Nice door sill plates, gorgeous rocker, inner jams. All the interior's brand new. I mean, they did a nice job even painting the door here. You got Pro Car bucket seats. They do recline, and they look real nice in the car. Excellent back seats with seat belts, package tray 6x9s. Back door panels are great. All the windows function. Okay. Nice and smooth. Here's the driver's door. All the way up. All the way down. Then you got your wing windows. IDIT. All right. Steering column with tilt wheel as well. Dakota digital dash. I'll show you guys that. Excellent steering wheel. Nice center console there for a little storage and your cup of coffees in the morning headed to the car show. Look at that billet setup for the gas pedal and the brake pedal. That's your fan switch. I leave it in the on position, but just got to make a note of it. Let's check out the passenger side. Beautiful door jamb. Like I said, the door panels on both sides are brand new. Quarter window for the passenger side. Comes up and down with no problems. Okay. Go Also the passenger window, as you guys can see. All right. Inner door jambs are great. Look at that. Beautiful restoration. Beautiful. There's your Pro Car seats. All right. Let's fire it up. Couple pumps. Vintage radio with the AUX, so you can plug it into your smartphone. Underneath is super clean on the car as well. Voila! 289. Upgraded with headers, poly 4-barrel carburetor, Ford Motorsport valve covers, chrome intake, chrome pulleys, new alternator, new ignition, new shocks, power steering, power brakes, aluminum radiator. Excellent car. Woo! It's backed up by an automatic transmission. All right. So here we are. That's your fan switch. That's in the on position. And then when you turn it like that, when the blue LED is on, that means that the fan is off. So I just keep it on. Why not? Horn works. Excellent. There's your headlights. Everything functions. Like I said, LED lights in the front for the parking lights, and your brake lights are all in LED. Okay, and then this right here is for your wipers. And as you can see, that works as well. Turn signals. There's your left. There's your right. And right here is your tilt wheel. Okay. Ignition. Lighter. Your switches for your heat and defrost. And yes, it does work. And the radio does function as well. Nice and tight. We'll go for a little test drive now. Car goes straight down the road, really nice. Tons of power if needed from the 289. Shifts excellent through the automatic transmission. And with the four-wheel power disc brakes, it stops excellent. Not a squeak inside the car. Doesn't pull left, doesn't pull right. Tuned perfectly. On the freeway a little bit. about 75 degrees here today. It's running at 150. You got 47 to 50 pounds of pressure, oil pressure. There is a little noise coming from the dash, but I'll take care of that. It's a little loose there. You gotta get some of the bugs out of it. It handles really nice around the turns. Check out the photos as well. So we're back at the warehouse. I'll do one more time walk around. I mean, even the light in the glove box functions. So there is a little noise from the dash, as you can hear it, but I'll get that squared away. Just a rattle. We'll get that taken care of. I like doing my inspections so you guys know exactly what you're getting and what we need to do. All right, we're back at the shop here in Addison. Okay, one more time. 1965 Ford Mustang in restored condition in a beautiful brand new restoration for 2020. Pepper gray, dual exhaust, 289, upgraded with headers, ignition system, power steering, and 4-wheel power disc brakes. Excellent exterior and excellent interior. Guys, call me, text me if you're looking for a really nice 1965 pony car. This is not like any others. I'm telling you, there's nothing better than brand new, fully restored. Call me, text me. My number is 847-848-1850. Let's get this bad boy in your garage. You will be 100% satisfied. I have great reviews, and I'm 100% on my eBay sales as well. Call me, text me, 847-848-1850. MGMClassicCars.com.